In this video, I want to show you how to report a typo. I don't find typos too often in the software, the books. Logos does a very good job, but every once in a while I'll come across one. And for the purposes of this video, I could not find one, but I do want to show you how to report one if you ever see one in a resource. And so let's say you've got a resource open and there's a misspelling, there's punctuations that's wrong, whatever it is, it's really easy to report a typo. You take the text that you want to report the typo on, you're going to make sure it's highlighted, you're going to right click on that, and then you're going to scroll all the way down in the context menu to the very bottom where it says report typo. This little prompt is going to come up and it's going to ask you, well, what should it be if it's not he was your friend too? What should it be? And there you can correct the misspelling, you can put the correct punctuation, and then you can comment on that mistake. So it may not even be a punctuation error. It may be a date is wrong, or there's a link that goes to the wrong text. Whatever it is, this is the way that you can enter a typo. Once you put the information that you want, you click submit. It will go to the people at Logos, and I assume it goes into the log. And every so often, I will see resources updated. And so I know these reports are read. So hopefully this helps. If you ever see a typo, don't be afraid to report it. It helps all of us who use the software. Until next time.